1008 names. Any number of names you feel like chanting. No compulsion, no pressure. Don't do with pain. Don't do crying. ఏం చేస్తామండి సోమలో చెప్పిండ్రు ఇవి 1000 నామాలు చదవాలి వస్తామా 1000 నామాలు అసలే టైం చాలక. Don't do that way. If you feel like doing, if your love forces you to do things, do. Otherwise it's okay. Just offer a flower, do namaskara, and that's done. And because he's not expecting anything from you, nor he has to fulfill anything from you also. It's how you feel like doing something, you feel like offering something. How many names should we say now? Sahasranama? Swamiji, we have to go to office tomorrow. Okay, I'll tell you only 24 names, okay? Come on, let's offer. You offer kumkum, you offer flowers, whatever just you have, you can just do offer. But remember, while offering, it's not something taking this and offering there. Take it, first offer it. Whoever is here, fill up something what you created inside into this container and do offer it there. He receives the inner content, but not the container. He gives back the container. So whatever you offer will be there only. But whatever you filled in will be received by him. While doing so, you can create beautiful flowers. One kind of flower, one variety of flower with one name. How many flowers do you know? How many colors? But unfortunately, no flower here will have any kind of fragrance. You know, just like people here. And not you people, you are really good. You are really good. but you know, that's how people are here, right? When we came here to US first time, it was in 94. And when we were just walking, somebody said, "Hi." We thought he's really calling us. And then we stopped. He already went. You know, somebody says, then we think he's wishing us. But no, he keeps going, that's all. So, it's pretty physical, but that's okay. A flower with a fragrance makes a lot of sense, but the fragrance comes with your love, not with its physical appearance. So when you feel something is generated here, created here, with your love, that becomes more fragrant, and that's what you need to offer there. With one name, try to create one color. Can you do it? First with green like tulsi, then with white color like jasmine, and then with rose color roses. Think some. I don't want to say anything because you know more colors, right? This is season for tulip flowers. Once we went to tulip garden in Holland, Michigan. My goodness, there are hundreds of varieties of tulips I saw there. Just like a big carpet. Many colors, you know, you can create many flowers. Come on, let us create one color and one kind of fragrance to the Lord and then offer it there. So, pick up, create, fill in, and see that it is offered. Not like as if you are doing something to a beggar. No. This is how we offer. Oh. Om Kesavaya Namaha. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Madhusudanaya Namaha. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Om Vamanaya Namaha. Om Sridharaya Namaha. Om Hrishikesaya Namaha. Om Padmanabhaya Namaha. Om Damodaraya Namaha. Om Sankarshanaya Namaha. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Pradyumnaya Namaha. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Om Purushottamaya Namaha. Om Adhokshajaya Namaha. Om Narasimhaya Namaha. Om Achyutaya Namaha. Om Janardanaya Namaha. Om Upendraya Namaha. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Sri Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Sri Bhudevye Namaha. Om Sri Neela Devye Namaha. Om Sri Goda Devye Namaha. Om Sri Anantaya Namaha. Om Sri Garudaya Namaha. Om Sri Vishwaksenaya Namaha. Om Sri Parankusaya Namaha. Om Sri Mate Ramanujaya Namaha. Om Sri Madvaravaramunaye Namaha. Om Svacharyebhyo Namaha. Om Purvacharyebhyo Namaha. Samasta Parivaraya Sarva Divya Mangala Vigrahaya Srimate Narayanaya Namaha. Dhupamagrapayami. Finished. Did you offer many flowers? A few. Still there are more flowers lying to offer. When you are back home, you can offer all of them. But dhupam is given on behalf of all of you. Deepam sandarshayami. Dhupam is offered to ask him for blessing us with good practice. And the deepam is offered to give sufficient knowledge to practice good practices, good activities. Suddha achamaniyam samarpayami. You all can do that. Naivedyam samarpayami. How do you do Naivedyam? This way? What does it mean? Get out. Is that what you're doing? How do you feed your babies? Look, when you thought of your babies, your hand came automatically like this. And when you thought of God, your love made you to say like this. That is the concern we have towards God, Offering God is also with a mudra called Mruga. What is a Mruga? A deer. A deer face. This is called Mruga Mudra. And then to make it upside down and take a little offer. This is what we do, right? And while offering, you can feel variety of dishes cooked and kept ready in your heart. Not what just the fruit what you kept here. You can feel anything in your heart. Variety of foods, sweets, hearts, fruits, milk, yogurt, and cheese. And anything you prepare in your heart, you can keep everything ready before them. And fruits, fruit juice, many things. And you can just offer each one in a way they like it. In a way they like it, not like, Tindra. No, we offer with love and concern. Mom always feeds babies, taking the baby into her laps and preparing something in a silver vessel and just, made just like paste. Take into the garden, showing the crow, showing the cows and showing the moon. And when the baby is just seeing that, then she keeps in the mouth. No, that is how mom feeds everything to the babies. Otherwise, babies, they don't like to eat at all. They say, I don't want. But mom, somehow makes the babies to eat, showing many, many things and diverting their attention. And he never thinks that he's eating that much. And even no one thinks that he eats that much. But that's how mom feeds the babies. Right? Goru Mudar. Charubuva. That is how mom feeds the babies. That's how you feel yourself like a mother and offer something to God. Then your hand comes automatically like this. Come on, let's see the love we have. We not even peel the skin. That much of love we have towards God, But if it's to you, and if somebody wants you to eat the fruit just like that, do you eat it? It's okay. That's okay. That is the love we have towards God. But anyway, keep it right now like that only. But when you are home, just open, cut, clean, and then you can offer. Right. Sprinkle a little water ahead so that will be purified. Naivedyam samarpayami. Om. 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 While offering, you can offer to everybody, whomever you thought in your home, in your heart, like Narayana, Lakshmi, their vahanas, their subjects, everybody. You can ask everybody to take the prasadam. Okay? Madhye madhye paniyam samarpayami. After drinking, after eating something, then you need to offer some fruit juice and water so that, they can eat easily. And when you feel like they've done with the food, keep the fruit or whatever that you offered aside. And then take water, wash their hands, Hastau prakshalayami.
Hastau prakshalayami.
Padau prakshalayami.
Padau prakshalayami.
Gandushanam samarpayami.
Gandushanam samarpayami.
Gandushanam is gargling after food. Tambulam samarpayami. Mangala Nirajanam samarpayami.
Mangala Nirajanam samarpayami.
Do you have Harti with you? No. Here it is for you. So all of you can chant. Sriya Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayerthinam Sri Venkata Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam Mangala Sasana Paraihi Acharya Purogamaihi Sarvaischa Purvairacharyehi Satkృతాyastu Mangalam. Keep it aside and then you offer water, wash their feet, wash their eyes. And then you do namaskara and you pray to them to accept whatever little we did as paripurna puja. Right? Because we really wanted to do something with our heart and we did it. Let them accept it as paripurna puja. But we know very well that we have committed a few mistakes. Not few, all are mistakes only. But what can we do, Beyond that we can't do. So we wanted to do upachara, but many apacharas were committed. So we will ask for kshama. Do namaskaram. Mantrahinam, kriyahinam, bhaktihinam, janardana, yatkrutantu, maya deva, paripurnam, tadastute. Upachara padesena krutana haraharmaya apachara niman sarvan kshamasva purushottama. And bow before them and just beg for pardoning the mistakes that we come to commit. And after this, can we ask for some favors? Asking for favors means what?
That everyone in the world should be happy.
We do not ask anything for our selfish benefit, but we ask for sure a few things. Let everybody be happy. Let the rulers be good. Let there be good rains. and let the earth be green forever. Let all the devotees be wealthy. Why? Because you have to make the temple very good. You have to do more charitable activities in the society. And we also pray to God to transform all the wicked people into good. We don't want anybody to be punished ever. We want everybody should be under the umbrella of God. And all we want to be together always also. That's what we pray to God. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahisah go brahmanebhyah Subhamastu nityam loka samastaha sukhino bhavantu kale varshatu parjanyah prithvi sasya shalini Desoyam kshobharahitah Brahmana santu nirbhayah. And now take a little water. We dedicate everything to their lotus feet because they made us do all these things. They are seated in our hearts. And they gave everything that we have here. And it is their service we did. Nothing is ours. So we dedicate everything to them. And they know how to tailor it for our use. We don't. We mess up things. But they make them good. And they give them back to us. After all, see, when you are home, you bring something and give to your mom. And mom removes what is to be removed. Mom adds something to be added. Makes in a way you enjoy it. And that's how you eat wonderful, delicious food. So also we offer everything to their feet. So they know how to again make it good and give back to you. Kayena vacha manasendriyirva buddhyatmana va prakrite svabhavat karomi yedyat sakalam parasmai Narayanayeti samarpayami Sriman Narayanayeti samarpayami Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Now, you invited them, right? And again, you have to ask them to go back to your heart. But how do you do that? Yes. Om Udvasayami arrange beautiful seats for them in your heart, for all of them. Whatever you offer physically is called yaga. And after doing that, you ask Lord to taste it. Where does he taste? He tastes it through your tongue. Here they taste. Right? It is called Anuyaga. Offering physically is called yaga. And taking it is called Anuyaga. So, when the puja is done, then you take some prasadam and then ask him to taste who is there in the heart. But don't think that I am eating. He takes it. He tastes it. That you can do later, of course, anyway. And after finishing that, make your heart as a cradle and ask him to just sleep in that and swing it gently. And if you know, you can sing a lullaby. Do you know some lullaby? Jo, Jo, Jo Achyutananda Jo Jo. When you think that they dropped into sleep, you can gently close the doors of your heart and you can request Lord Sudarshana, his divine discus in his right hand, to stand guard there at the door so that no evil powers ever enter there and disturb their presence in your heart. And you can come back to this hall. They are always there. They will be with you. And whenever you want, they come. And whenever you say, they go back. They'll be with you always. They are yours. All that how you use them. But use them daily to energize yourself and use that energy in your day-to-day life so that people around you will be benefited, and in turn you also will be benefited by his presence. That's all. बोल लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की जय। लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की जय। समस्त भक्त वृंद की जय। जय श्रीमन नारायण।
जय श्रीमन।